Continue takes me to the next thing, which is creators. These are people or organizations that are the creators of this data package and deserve to be cited for it. And if I go look at one of those, this layout is used over and over whenever there's a person, organization, or position that has to be described. That's EML calls them responsible parties. You can go in and edit that, or you can add a new one. But let's just say I'm happy with these, and I will go on. Now contacts, and if you remember, check metadata said that contacts, I have a problem because at least one is required. So let me go back to contacts. Now I can add them by filling out the responsible party form, or I can, there's a ezEML gives you the ability to import from elsewhere. So in this case, what I'm going to do, let's say that a couple of the creators are actually also the contacts. I can go up to import here, import responsible parties from the same data package. So it's sort of a import in quotes, you know, it's within the same file. And let's say these two creators are actually also contacts. So I pick who they are and how I want them to be imported. I want them to be contacts. Click import, and there they are. Okay, now if I go, my check metadata went from red to orange because it's all I have left is warnings now. It's not complaining about the missing contacts anymore. Save and continue, associated parties. It's again just another one of these people. So let's assume that I'm happy with that. Save and continue. Metadata providers, again, it's a person. In this case, we don't have one. Projects have personnel, so a list of people. And again, you can import those. You don't have to retype them. They have any number of funding awards associated with them. And then they can have related project. This is new. This wasn't in the original version. But a related project basically just looks like a primary project. The point of having a number of related projects is it lets you have different PIs with different funding awards noted. Let me go on.